Om Swastiastu. Based on video that I watched from Easy Digital Learning YouTube channel about the world of hospitality industry, I got many new things about the hospitality in Indonesia. First, I just know that in 2018, the hospitality sector in Indonesia was recorded as the highest hospitality growth in the world and got positioned in 9th rank by the World Travel and Tourism Council or WTTC. Then, from World Economic Forum, the hospitality industry in Indonesia is already in top 40 out of 141 countries in the world at this moment. Talking about the hospitality industry, what is the hospitality industry meaning? Hospitality comes from the word hospes with the meaning guest. So hospitality industry is all kinds of industry that have activities related to friendliness, services, and also entertainment for the guests. Then, what are the sector of hospitality industry? Hospitality industry has three sectors, which are accommodation, food and drink, travel and tourism, and also recreation. First, accommodation. Accommodation is all kinds of hospitality industry that provide an accommodation for the guests, such as breakfast and bed, motel, hostel, hotel, resort, and also service apartment. Talking about the accommodation, I do my on-the-job training in Commune Resort and Beach Club, and it is a 4-star hotel in Gianyar and include with bar and restaurant, spa, fitness and yoga center, and also free range for kids. Then the second is food and drinks. Food and drink is all kind of industry in hospitality world who serve food and beverage for the guests, such as restaurant, bar and cafe, tea and coffee, catering, and also night bar. Third, travel and tourism. Travel and tourism can be divided into some parts. First, tour operator. Activities that cover the travel agent business, especially handling all kinds of tours. Then, travel agency. People who work in travel agent, they work as an agency. They work based on how much commission they will get. They usually sell ticket, hotel voucher, and something kind like that. Travel agent has two classes, such as agent and also sub-agent. Agent has the responsibility to the sub-agent. Third is online travel agent or OTA. OTA is online platform who provide flight ticket, purchase service, accommodation, and all kinds of facilities that relate into hospitality world. Online travel agents such as Booking.com, Agoda, Ticket.com, and so on. Cruise, or in Bahasa called pesiar, is kind of ship that looks like hotel and has facilities same like hotel and has purpose for the recreation for the guests. Then is casino, one of gambling industry in hospitality and already got the license and it's already legal. Then the last one is car rental. Car rental service, usually they rent out the cars include with the driver, but sometimes it's depend with what the guest need. Some car rental usually owned by individuals or sometimes it's owned by companies. Fourth is recreation, an entertainment place that can be visited by all ages, such as marine park, zoo, rafting, golfing, and any water sport, and also any other activities. And if we work in hospitality world, we should know all about the characteristics of hospitality industry. First, service industry, or in Bahasa it's called industri jasa. Every companies who work for hospitality, they work together to produce goods and service for the guests who do the travel. Then is labor intensive. In hospitality industry, we need many service for hire. And in fact, in Indonesia, the highest foreign exchange earner come from hospitality industry. Number 3 is capital intensive. Capital intensive means if we want to produce some goods, we need assets to start our career. But we also need times to take back the asset that we already use. Number 4 is sensitive. Sensitive means we are in hospitality industry, has a sensitive of the comfort and safety of our guests. Number 5 is seasonal. Season deciding for guests coming. It means if the holiday times, that will be a fixed season for the hospitality industry. Number 6 is quick yielding industry. It means in hospitality industry, the income that we get is quickly than the other export activities. So that's all the summary that I got after watching the video about the world of hospitality industry part 1. Because of the coronavirus that made us cannot meet with the other and have to stay at home. So thank you for watching this video and stay healthy, stay safe at home. Salam sukses luar biasa. Om Santi Santi Om. Thank you.